Hi everyone, today I want to talk about my design for Moongate. It is a creative iron gate with graphics overlapping to create visual effects. First, let's look at my moonboard. I want my design have a sense of geometric arrangement, light and shadow, and sharp line sense. Then let's look at my sketches for brainstorming. Finally, I choose the idea in the blue circle because it shows my important concept. Through the arrangement of patterns in a consistent style to form a channel with a good sense of depth and visual experience, you can see the structure of the body. It is made by uh, the metal bar to create a triangle. So it is more stable, and I use some standard material to do it, so you can easily buy the material. This is the picture of the model, and this is the CAD model. And you can see its whole body. And I will use the laser cut to cut the metal plant to do some patterns to make it more interesting. Then let's look at the CAD of it. And finally, where can we use it? I think it can use in everywhere. When it used in a nature environment like gardens, we can use this kind of texture. And when it is in cities, we can use the texture like this. Um, Thanks for watching.